guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys these workout pants with shorts from CADMUS. When I say they're comfortable, I mean these are so comfy. I love that I can easily move around in them during any kind of workout, and they don't ride up or make me feel constricted. So I'm 5'3" and weigh about 120 pounds, and I got the medium size in this beautiful gray and pink color. These tights are so soft to touch and they are super stretchy. Sometimes I forget I'm even wearing them because they feel like they're just a part of my skin. They're made out of a moisture wicking material, so they're super breathable and I never feel sweaty in them. And the reason I wanted these workout pants in particular was because of these shorts that are attached to the tights. I love that they cover my bum. I feel completely comfortable during any kind of stretch or workout without being self-conscious. The tights themselves are not see-through, but these shorts just give me that added protection and comfort level that I wanted. I also like that they have a high waistband, which is also super soft and stretchy, and they have 3 hidden pockets. So one on each side of your thigh, and they're deep enough to fit your entire cell phone. And then there's a smaller pocket on the inner waistband as well. I have just been super impressed with the quality of these pants. I even wore them to help my dad with one of his construction projects. And sometimes I even wear them just to lounge around in the house. These have been the most comfortable pair of workout pants, and that's my point of view.